Okay, so we are live, and there's no electricity, so I'm on the terrace, and I feel like this is going to be interesting. So let's see who is going to join. So is there anyone? Today I'm going to talk about a lot of things, and is there anyone? If you are here, just say hi, hello, anything. Okay, so people are joining, and yeah, it's very nice morning. Yep, good morning, everyone. So tell me if my voice is clear or not. Yes, Amitav, today there is no electricity here, so I thought let's have some different feel of the live we are having. So that's why it's a total different live. आज workout करते थे. Yeah, today workout video. Yeah. So I was not having my mobile when I go for mobile workout today, so that was clear but low. Yes, because I don't have any mic, it's totally on this phone, so I will try to speak loudly, so that you can hear me properly. And if you want to see, this is society. Okay, so I want to talk about lots of things. Let me first see where I can get the chats. Yeah, glowing in the sun. Thanks, Ayush. Okay, so next, it's clear with some wind noise. Yeah, maybe because of this. Where are you from? I am from MP, India, Madhya Pradesh. So, first, as you know, that Joe Biden is the new president of Spati. Spati. Is it the same Spati or Spasi? I say someone from Mexico. Okay, that's good. So, what's your views on that Biden? He is now the new president of America. So, what's your views, and who you like most, Trump or Biden? I feel like Biden is nice person compared to Trump. So this is what I feel. Trump should have won, bro. You know that. So people are there are some Trump lovers. Good. Okay, so we have Hemant here. Welcome, Hemant. So why do you feel Joe Biden is nice person? I don't know. I just saw his 2 or 3 videos, so I thought let's. I thought he is a nice person because his way of saying things are good. So I'm not from America, so I can't say anything. And I feel like Trump is because he is a businessman, so he think in a business way. So that's why I just. So H1V will back. What is this? Politics is same everywhere. Correct. You're absolutely right, Nishant. Okay, so next thing is I'm working, as you know, I'm working on JavaScript course for a long times, and now that course is almost completed. 10 hour of JavaScript is completed with the games. So I have created total 5 game on JavaScript course, and all the 5 games are very nice. And if you are following me on Twitter, you probably know that I already have shared some of the games, and these are very nice. And 4 games I have created with the use of canvas, so HTML canvas, and one is a tic-tac-toe, which is using CSS, HTML, and JavaScript. So all of these things are combined. So 5 games 10 hour. Among that 10 hour, we will going to first learn about the basics. We will start from what is JavaScript, and then we will go to the functions. So 4 hours, initial 4 hours are for basic JavaScript, and then we will start the games. So I hope you will like it, and tomorrow I'm going to publish that 10 hour of video. So be sure you are ready to watch that. And if you are not on the Discord channel, please go and join the Discord channel, Bitfume's Discord channel. I will highly encourage, because many people from this live are here. Okay, so as I said, many people from this live you will find on Discord channel, like Amitav is there, Ayush is there, Hemant is there, Tanzim is there. I personally know some names. I feel like some of others are also there. Let's have some chat what you are saying. So now we have so can you make JavaScript tutorial? I see your Instagram story about game. Yes, Amar, as I told you, tomorrow I'm going to release the 10 hour of JavaScript course building 5 games. Others says paisa hi paisa, money money. Your birthday is coming soon. What's your plan for your birthday? Oh, Nishant, thanks. Yeah, you know my birthday, and yes, my birthday is coming. It's on 15th of November, and I don't have any plan for this. But what do you say? What I should do? So maybe I can get some suggestion from your side. You are working on content along with learning so fast. How many hours you work on day? I work all day. So from morning till evening till night, I just work, and it's not constant working. It's like whenever I feel I have to do something, I start working on that. Whenever I feel that okay, now I'm tired, I need some refreshment, then I just take a break. So it's not hardcore like 10 to 6 working and then no work. It's not like that. Sir, please publish one project on Vue Laravel. Yes, bro, I have to create the video on Laravel and Vue. And someone is saying why I'm not making videos on Hindi, sorry. So the simple reason is because I have started my YouTube channel in English, and many of my subscribers are not a native Indian or Hindi learner or Hindi speaker, or you can say whatever Hindi related people are not there. So yeah, if you want to talk to me in Hindi, you can come to me on WhatsApp, on Slack, on Discord, as I told you. So now say Nishant says name username of Discord channel I want to join. So Nishant, if you want to join Discord channel, can anyone share the link? Because I'm using my mobile and I cannot share the I cannot copy that from the Discord app. Can anyone share? Ayush, Amitav, or Tanzim, or Hemant? Anyone, if you can share the Discord channel link or Discord server link. I remember, sir, I follow you. Not okay, why don't you make video in Hindi, as I answered that. So please do project on Laravel Vue. Yeah, very soon. So Tanzim, welcome. Good morning, Tanzim. And yeah, people are asking for Laravel and some related. What's your WhatsApp number? Okay, so you will find my WhatsApp number on Facebook, or from the Twitter you will get. English is compulsory for every developer so they can communicate client and you're right, Nishant. Fitness app in Flutter. Yeah, because the status of the Flutter course is like this. I am working on that landing page of the Flutter application, or Flutter course, actually the landing page of Flutter course, and it will obviously called in-depth Laravel. And what I have done till now, I have uh, read all the documentation of the Dart. So I just read each and every page of the Dart website, dart.dev. And very soon I will start preparing the videos on the Dart, the basic Dart, so that we will start from the Dart, learning the Dart, and then we will eventually move into the Flutter inside our Flutter course. So that will be a fun. So let's see how fast I will go and when I will able to complete the Flutter course. Okay, so now someone says you are looking smart, bro. Thank you. Oh, that's good. Okay, Amitav says we'll do that. Thanks, Amitav. And okay, so this is the link to join Bitfin School. Thank you, Amitav. Very thank you. Big thanks. So Mahesh says, on your birthday, just come to live and make a JavaScript project along with us. If we want to have any doubt, tell the proper practical purpose of Webpack and Babel also, and any of your plan. Okay, and that seems like a good idea, Mahesh. So what I will do, I will go live, and uh, I will go live for longer period of time, like 2 or 3 hours, and we will chat that day. Okay, so as you know, I am working on the JavaScript course with 5 different games. I'm also planning one more thing, to start a live stream every day to create these games again. So on the live streaming, I'm going to create or write code in front of you to create all those games, and I will get suggestion from your side so that we can create the games more interesting, more interactive, and more fun. Now we have Abhay. Oh, you are going for a walk? No, Abhay, actually, there's a issue here. There is no electricity. So I thought let's have some different plan for today's live. That's why I am here on the terrace. And now I have my tripod and my mobile, and I'm working. I'm talking to you. Okay, so next, where do you live? So Parth says, where do you live? So Parth, I am from Madhya Pradesh, MP. Okay, so and the city is Indore. Then React, bro, nowadays is killing everything. Okay, so PK Tech says React is killing every day, and I have to integrate Laravel with React. I think he's trying to say. You are full-time course creator or work as well as with any company? So Adarshi, I am a full-time course creator, and this is my full-time. So that's why I work on these courses all day and night, and I don't have any job. This is my company, and I'm planning some of other things with my friends, like Amitav is there, Ayush is there. Ayush is handling the community project. If you want to work on the open source project, the community project, you can join the Discord channel, and Ayush is taking care of all these things. And then I'm working on something big with Amitav. Maybe when we launch it, then I will let all of you know what we are working. So this is my work, and this is my Bitfilms is my company. I don't have any job. Full-time content creator. Now Azizullah says, thank you for your great material. I have a question about Livewire. Should we use TurboLink with Livewire? I asked because Livewire removed the TurboLink from its documentation. They have removed the TurboLink because of some issues of the upgradation and the integration of TurboLink with Laravel, I think. So yes, you can totally use it, and there should be some resources that how you can use the TurboLink with the Livewire. I have not used it too much. I just have used TurboLink for the video I have created that time. After that, I have not used. So why you are not opting for Udemy, as much more students are searching courses? Good question, Nishant. I already have one or two courses on Udemy. The problem with the Udemy is are uh, they are dropping your price to $7 or $10, whatever content, how much you want. It doesn't matter. It totally matters that if you have a course on Udemy, that means they will drop your price to $7 or $10. So think about this. I'm working 2-3 months to create 30-40 hour of content, a real project, and then I want to sell it for $50, but they are going to sell it for $7, and even after $7, I will only get 25% if it is from the organic search. So this is the reason I just moved out from the Udemy, and now uh, I'm publishing all my courses on my Bitfumes website. I'm planning to release this Flutter course on Gumroad also, but it's just for the payment processing and marketing. But all the content will still be available on the Bitfumes website. Okay, so Ice Cream, nice username. Ice Cream says opinion on Django. Opinion, it's very clear. Amazing framework of Python, but since we are moving into the API world, so what happening is there is a fast API framework of Python. So name is a fast API, which is able to which makes you create the APIs using Python very easy, very fast. So maybe that's why they have named it fast API. Also there is another Flask is again super famous. So framework doesn't matter. What matter is what you want to build with that. If you want to get job, then I would suggest go learn Node.js. If you want for your own project or for your startup or these things, then you have to learn whatever best suits you. It totally doesn't matter which is good, which is bad. It just matter which one you you feel like easy, and you know everything. So go with anyone, it doesn't matter. Now part says, how should I start Android development? Learn Flutter, super easy. The era of Android development and iOS development is gone. You have to start Flutter, and then if you want to deep dive, then later after some years, like 2-3 years, you can move and learn the real app development using the Android or iOS development using Swift. But start with the Flutter. Now PK Tech says Flutter is good with 8,000 rupees internship, 2-year contract period. Have to submit all original certificate, he's asking. Okay, so internship is good, and if they are giving you 8,000 rupees, then it's totally fine. Go and get some experience. Don't go with money. Go with the experience you are getting in 2 years. Flutter is a really great thing, and it will change the world if things goes right. Now Profil is there. Profil Kumar, do you have tutorial on Node.js? Node.js tutorial is just coming after this using Adonis.js, and Adonis is amazing framework. With Adonis 5, it's really a game changer in Node community. I feel this. So a Node 10-hour course using, I'm not promising exact 10 hour, but Node course using Adonis.js will come after this JavaScript course, which I'm releasing tomorrow. Adarsh says Atmanirbhar. Yes, I would like to thank Ayush, Mohan, and one more person who is doing great work on community project. Sorry, I didn't remember the name who is working. I also didn't remember the name without. Okay, next is Shams. He says when you will make video on React.js with Laravel. This is I don't know actually, but since I have a lineup of things to do, like Node course, then I'm working on the Adonis Node course, then also working on this Flutter course. So that's why things are messy, not Leona Messi, bad joke. So yeah, so let's see when I will able to move on that. But yeah, I have to do that. Livewire is fired for Freemix Livewire. Flutter has good scope, amazing scope, amazing, really, really amazing. You know, later Flutter is going to be like a thing from which you can create many apps in one go. In with one code base, you will able to create Android plus desktop app, everything. So these kind of things are there for Flutter. So I feel like it will be really amazing if everything goes right. Nishant says, I don't know that if it is like this. That's good. Yeah. Mahesh says, have you worked in organization before, Sarthak? How and why did you start Bitfumes? Okay, so yes, I have worked for two companies, but for very less time. One was the company from Portugal. I worked for 1 week only, but then I realized that now I have to focus on Bitfumes. So, and recently I was just working with my friend's company on Delhi. So it was for 6 months. We did a project together on Flutter. We have created an app, and then I just once again moved to Bitfumes because I like learning and sharing my knowledge. That's why Bitfumes is there. CI/CD with Laravel, it's easy. I will add this to in-depth Laravel course, CI/CD thing. Okay, so Bitfumes website is on Node or it is very fast? No, Nishant, Bitfumes website is totally created with. Okay. I don't know what happened. Okay, so I was talking about the Bitfumes website. Bitfumes website is written in Laravel API, and front end is done with that Next.js React framework. Next.js, we have done. I have used that Next.js for the Bitfumes website, so that's why it is fast. Okay, sir, create a long video or Laravel all concept. G2, Laravel all concept cannot be covered in a single long video. That's why I have created this in-depth Laravel course. You can check out indepthlaravel.com so that you can learn everything about Laravel. Package with Livewire, I don't know about that. Tanzim says, sir, in Flutter course, we want feature like notification, sound, camera, geo location API. Everything will be there inside that Flutter course, in-depth Flutter. And I promise that it's going to be the biggest and the best course ever created for the Flutter, because I have seen many of the courses for Flutter. None of them is up to the mark, but I want to have that. Okay, so next is G2 Prajapati says, so scope of Laravel and salary. It totally depends. Scope of Laravel, I can say that yes, scope of Laravel is very good, and Laravel is in demand framework currently. So you will going to get a good salary if you know the test-driven development in Laravel, plus the core concept of Laravel like IOC container, some other things like facade. If you know these things, then you will get a good salary. And I cannot say the salary because salary totally depends upon the experience and the company you are applying. Now Parth says, can we make apps with Flutter which are not only related to UI? Obviously, you can create. There are SQLite package. You can use a SQLite database for your Flutter. You can do that, and you can call the API, external API, just to have the UI on the Flutter and working on the API. React developer currently learning Java, Spring. Is it okay to learn Java instead of Node as a backend? If you are planning for big industries, super big industries, and if you're planning to get job in banking areas as in developer, then go with Java. It's never down. There is no downside of Java. The only downside I feel is its learning curve is little steep. It's not easy to learn or master Java, so that's why people, you will find less people working on the Java. But if you want quick, then go with a Node. It's very simple. You will able to master it in 1 year. I'm saying the master, not learning. There's a huge difference between mastering things and learning things. So that's what I'm saying. React is like, I thought that okay, let's create that, but then when I researched, I found so many good courses on React that I feel like it's not a good idea to work on a React course, because I want to help people in a way where you will not find a good resource. So I have created the channel for the Laravel, because at that time only Laracast is the place for learning Laravel. But now you will find that my channel plus so many other channels are there for Laravel. But when I have started, at that time there was no good resources of Laravel, so that's why I choose Laravel. Currently there is a tons of resources for React, but very less resources for Flutter. So now I'm moving to Flutter, and that's why I'm creating this in-depth Flutter course, not in-depth React course. But maybe later, after creating the in-depth Flutter, maybe later I will create in-depth React also. It's not promised, but let's have Flutter first. And what's that meaning? Dremkishi, I don't know. Bitfumes t-shirt, yay! Yeah, so this is the Bitfumes t-shirt, and I have ordered Bitfumes hoodie, and when we have the hoodie, I'm going to show that to you also. And later, when I reach 100k, I have lots of checklist for the 100k. So when I reach 100k, I will going to release the some merchandise, or I will go give some uh, giveaway gift to some people's the Bitfilms t-shirt, or maybe the hoodie plus stickers. So I'm planning for these things. So that's why I have ordered one hoodie, and I will check the pricing, the quality, and if things goes right, I will order more and keep it for 100k subs, and then I will do the giveaway for this hoodie and sticker or t-shirt. Next, worldwide scope, what's that? Sandeep. Okay, so Parth, can you recommend some easy and cool Python project? I'm not pro in Python, so I can't say, but you can follow many people on Hashnode. Hashnode is a new platform, just like Medium, to create or write blogs. So it's an Indian platform and a very very amazing platform. People are doing amazing thing there, and you will find lots of Python related course or articles there. Surely you will find your interesting thing. Will Adonis be done with MySQL or MongoDB? So yes, MySQL is the driver for MySQL is there, but the driver for MongoDB is not officially supported, but there is a external package which support MongoDB with Adonis.js. So No worries. Mahesh says, can you make a video on how to contribute to open source like Bitfine's project and how that would be approved? What the next step to communicate? So that's why Mahesh, I said, join the Bitfine's Discord channel, and we have a community project which Ayush is handling, and because this is Ayush's idea, and I thought it would be a great to give all the freedom to him so that he can actually develop the things under his name, not my name. It's just I'm giving him the audience, Bitfine's audience. I'm giving him, and he is taking care of everything, and he is amazing person. So just join that community project, and you will going to learn things, all of these things very soon. Wish 100k reaches on your birthday. I feel yeah, this is good, but birthday is too, you can say birthday is like 10 days away, and within 10 days I will not able to reach 30k subscribers. I don't know when I will complete this, but let's see what's going to happen. Next we have, where are you from? Once again I said I'm from Madhya Pradesh, MP, Indore city, and if you are from here or nearby, you can ping me, we can meet someday. Next we have Muhammad. Okay, so Muhammad says, I create a Laravel package from basic CMS start. It will some feature like post images, etc., something like WordPress. For that I'm planning to use Livewire. I don't recommend, why I'm not recommending Livewire for CMS, because see, if you are creating this kind of big project, I would suggest to have a separate API, because later obviously you want to have the application, the mobile application for that, and if you want to have the mobile application, then you need the API for that. So if you are creating your project with Livewire, you will not able to have the API on that. So that's why I'm not suggesting Laravel Livewire. Sudesh, what about microservice and Kubernetes courses? I first need to learn Kubernetes. I know Docker. I'm using Docker, but I have never used the Kubernetes. But first, let me learn it. Then, obviously, I will create then Kubernetes courses. Then Ashish is here. Says we didn't have any CS degree, but we had the knowledge of PHP monostack. I also don't have any CS degree. I'm an electrical engineer, so it totally depends upon your learning skill. If you are good in learning, you will be able to learn anything you want. Anything means anything. Okay, nothing to lose on wishing. Sure. Now Tanzim says, sir, you should do a course on serverless Laravel Vapor. Okay, so since I have never used Vapor, that's why I have never experienced it, and there is no course because of this reason. But since I'm planning to move the Vidfilms website into the serverless Vapor, maybe when I have that experience, then I will create the video. So what my plan is generally like, if I have not done any project, if I have never used any technology, uh, I'm not going to create the course. So because in that case I will not able to give you the exact in-depth knowledge. So that's why whatever you see on my channel, I have used it. So that's why we are having the Flutter, because I have created the app with the Flutter. Then we will see later what I have. Okay, so bro, which country do you live in currently? I'm from India, RX5700XT. Your username seems like any uh, RAM name or a processor name actually. RX5700XT, fastest processor in the world. Okay, next, how can I join a MNC without college degree? Create a create a, you can say, killer portfolio. Killer portfolio means you have to work on different kind of projects and showcase them on your website or on your GitHub page. And then when you are applying, when you have your resume, on that resume you need to mention your all your experiences, all your projects. It's very important to use high technologies and the technologies are which these MNCs are using. So just like someone said for the Java, so you have to use the Java Spring Boot and create some project using that, deploy it on server using Docker Kubernetes, and then showcase that project on your resume. And then when you apply, HR says that okay, this person has really done, he doesn't just have the knowledge, he has the practical experience. So you need to show that you have the practical experience of something. And then obviously when you ask when you apply for any job in MNC, you will get that. Okay, so now next is Part says I'm only 13 and I know Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I am learning app development. Wow, Parth, this is very nice, and I wish you all the best and good luck for your future, because since at this early stage you are having a knowledge of Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and you are learning app development, you will going to kill the world when you reach 25 or 30 or 50. Really good luck. Do you have any idea of Auth? Oh, yeah. What you want to ask about Auth? Share with me. So Muhammad Asif, welcome to follower. So I think Muhammad Asif joined this Bitfumes as a follower. Yeah, and he has subscribed to, or you can say he has supported me on this YouTube. So thank you very much, Muhammad Asif, Arif actually, sorry, Arif, for your effort. Next, which programming is good to start your programming journey? I would say Python. Go with the Python. Python is super easy and amazing, very powerful. So go with that. Very simple, because people call Python as you can say a starter or beginner language. So go with the Python. It's very important. Bro, why it is so lag? I feel like because I'm having this live with this hotspot of mobile hotspot, maybe that's why it is lagging too much. You are getting vitamin D. Lots and lots of vitamin D. I should just sit here like this inside the shadow. Okay, I sit here. Okay, so now this is good. Okay, so now RX5700XT says RX5700 AMD graphic card. Yeah, I got that. I know that this is something related to hardware. So AMD graphic card I have in my PC. Laravel is full of bloatware like Livewire, Tailwind, CSS being enforced upon user. What is your opinion on that? Okay, so see, it's not enforced. If you are having an open source project, then on that open source project you have to you have to deliver the content which you feel is good. So Taylor feel like Livewire and Tailwind is a good thing, so that's why he had incorporated that on the that jet stream. But now, because Laravel is an open source project, so there is a community who can create things which people want. So people want bootstrap instead of Tailwind. So there is a package which you can use with Jets to convert this Tailwind designing to bootstrap designing. So this is the point Taylor also want to explain to everyone, that this is not like they're enforcing. They are saying that okay, I am comfortable with these technologies and I am integrating that to you on the Laravel. If you want something else, you can create it, you can contribute it, and they will feature. So that's how open source work. They are not taking any money from your side, and we are not we are nobody to tell them what to do, what to not. If we are getting something, that's good. If we are not getting something, we don't have to blame them, we don't have to yell at them. We just have to support their vision, that they are doing amazing thing. And think about on the flip side, Jetstream is really amazing, and it has all the features which you will not get anywhere on any kind of technologies. So think about that. Okay, so I watched your PHP Oops video. They are really helpful getting a job. Oh wow, that's good. Um, Savat, Savata. Sorry, I didn't get the name. Yeah, I think Savata. Congratulations for getting a job, and I hope you will do nice on your job. Which MNC's company use MERN stack? I don't know. You can Google and check what we have. Are you near a zip line? Because this is not a zip. This is not a zip line. This is just a rope for hanging cloths. Okay. Okay, RX57, it's not force, you can use it old way. Okay, now Hemant, welcome to followers. So I think Hemant also have become new follower. Once again, Hemant, a big thanks. One more thing, if you are supporting me by joining this channel, I would suggest to join me on the Patreon, or sponsor me on the GitHub. Why I want to tell you this thing, since if you are supporting with me with $10 per month, just a figure. So if you are supporting me for $10 per month, YouTube will take 30%. That means I will only get $0.7. No, so I will only get $7. My maths, oh god. So from your $10, I'm only getting 7. But if you are supporting me on Patreon, then they will just get only 5%. I think 5 or 10 maximum. So I will get more of $9. And if you sponsor on the GitHub, I will get full $10. So this is really I want to explain, and that's why I'm not focusing on this YouTube join button, because I don't want I don't want to waste people's money, and I don't want to give YouTube full of the credit. That they are getting so much of revenue from the ads. I have to get something. Let's Shubham says, I want to learn about JWT. Should I read the Auth O, or is there any YouTube channel? The JWT is totally different. Auth O is totally different. Auth O is a tool, or is a company which create Auth O tool, by which you can have authentication using JWT. JWT is a technology, JSON Web Token, and you can learn about JSON Web Token. I have also created one JSON Web Token video where I have explained how JWT works. So you can check and you can explore YouTube. Surely you will get. Once you have the idea of JWT, then try to read the documentation of Auth O, so that how they are using JWT to make the authentication work. So Mihir Kumar deleted his okay, so by okay, so okay, Hemant has deleted, maybe there was spamming. Okay, any video series on React TypeScript? Yeah, TypeScript I'm learning. I'm reading the docs of TypeScript, and once I have that, I will surely going to create that. Hardworking. I'm glad I came across anonymous Hack 80 on Instagram who got my account back. He's professional. Is this what this mean? Oh, let's move it. Are you working on a project, freelancing project? No, I don't work on any freelancing project. I work on my project only, like my website. I have some other I'm working on some other projects. So where are you right now? Ooh, fourth time. Okay, so I am right now in MP, Madhya Pradesh. The city name is Indore. I'm from India. I have to like have a plate here which says where I am. How to be a millionaire doing programming? How to be a millionaire doing programming? Okay, so answer is you have to stop programming, but you have to have a team of so many people who are programmers. Like you have a team of programmers, and then you can make millions. So you can never become a millionaire by being a programmer. But once you become a normal programmer or a pro professional programmer, then you need to have a team of people. They can work for you, and then you can become the millionaire. And at that time you will not be called as a programmer, you will called as a business person, entrepreneur, these things. Any clone project oriented course in Flutter, like clone of Twitter, Amazon, like your website? I don't have any idea of cloning course on cloning project on Flutter course, but I will think about that. Your views on Whitehead Junior? Pathetic words, just changing the mind of people, like especially the parents and kids. You don't have to enforce people on you don't have to enforce children to learn and master this coding, and they are just selling, they are not selling the platform, they are selling a false vision of having a company by creating a website or creating an app actually. And the era of app is gone. Now it's the era of AI, machine learning, and augmented reality, artificial intelligence, blockchain. Era of app is gone. So they are targeting to those people who don't know anything about coding, who don't know anything about the future, who only know about the apps. Majority of people in India use apps like Facebook, WhatsApp, obviously. So they know what app is. They don't know about blockchain. They don't know about AR. So they are targeting to those people who don't know about anything, and they are selling them the dream, false dream, and they are actually enforcing parents and the kids to learn coding. It's not mandatory to have coding skills to everyone. A painter doesn't need to know how to code. Simple. A cricketer doesn't need to know how to code. Simple. I completed BA and got admission in MCA. This is a good or bad for me in getting job in MNC. Education doesn't matter, for especially for programming. Education doesn't matter. You just need to have a learning spirit and a little broad mind to think about the logics. It's all about logics, how you solve a problem. So I can say it's all about problem solving. MCA, MBA, MA, engineering, management, anything doesn't matter. I know a person who has shifted to programming from a hotel industry. His name is Raveen. Go check out on Twitter. He has 40,000 followers on Twitter. I just have close to 2,000. Please help me. Please help me and grow Twitter audience there. What you are doing here, you are just coming to live and just asking me questions. Help me to grow my YouTube plus my Twitter. Just kidding. you are here. It's a very good thing for me. Thank you for this. Let's have a next question, and then after that, now I got lot of vitamin D. I need to go. So let's have some questions. Okay, what you does expect making the tech videos? Okay, so Savata Chao. What I do when I'm not creating video. When I'm not creating video, I watch TV, I read books, and when I'm not creating video, when I'm not creating video, I'm I'm helping people. Maybe if someone says that something is not working, I may help them. When I'm not creating video, I'm reading the docs. Very important. Lot of the time, maximum time you can say, I read the doc. I have documentation of various things opened on different tabs. So whenever I feel like, oh, this video is taking a long time, or I'm tired, let's open a new tab of any documentation and let's start reading. So that's why I told you I'm reading the Dart documentation, I'm reading the TypeScript documentation. What else? Flutter documentation, obviously. So I'm reading lots of things, reading. So it's just 60 rupees, not a dollar. 59 rupees one. Yeah. Hemant, I was just saying like that. If you are helping me for $10, then YouTube will give me only $7. So this is a kind of thing. It doesn't matter. Will do in GitHub also. No, it's not that. I'm not saying that you have to shift there. I'm just explaining the reason I'm not working on the uh, this YouTube membership thing. How old are you? Just after 10 days I will turn 30. So 30 is a very nice number. I feel every number is nice, but 30 is a nice number. Hi Sarthak, hi from Bhopal. Oh, Sunil sir, welcome sir, welcome. And guys, if you know, if you obviously you don't know, Sunil sir is I forgot his company name, but he is a very experienced person, and I met him from a community. I met him from a community, and I love being with him. But I just got one or two session when we talked. But I will try to reach you very soon once I've been there on Bhopal. I will catch you there. Thank you for joining this live. When Flutter tutorial is coming out? I have just started Flutter video, learning the Flutter in depth, and it will take more than 1 month, let's say, because not just I'm not just working on the Flutter, I'm working on some different videos for YouTube also. So that's why the point is I have to manage two things, like a premium course plus the YouTube. So that's the issue. Then you can be a millionaire if you are ex Facebook and ex Googler. Right. I have joined Discord and saw community project is developing on a Vue. Is there any project developing on a React and Node contribution? Not now. Maybe later we will have that. We will see how we can uh, use the React to create something. Maybe. Thanks for every Sunday motivation. Always, it's a motivation for me when so many people join, and I just answer them some request I got. It's very nice feeling, and that's why I have never skipped any Sunday, and I will try to never skip in the future also. Do you know hacking? No, absolutely not. I'm not a hacker, I'm just a programmer. What opinion on TypeScript is coming out in 2012, and it came out in 2012, and now it's getting accelerated and done on the Dano yet. TypeScript is the future of JavaScript, mark my word. keep it somewhere, and later in the future you will only see TypeScript, TypeScript, TypeScript. JavaScript will be behind of this TypeScript. Dhruv says, I'm from Indore. Can I have the opportunity to meet you? Yes, Dhruv, sure. We can have chat someday. We can have a coffee someday if Corona allow. Then what you have to do, you just need to message me on Discord. Just join the Discord and send me a personal message there. And let's plan something to meet you. Okay. Muhammad Arif says, I would love to support you, brother. Can you please share GitHub link where I can support you? Actually, I have two accounts, one with Bitfumes and actually you. Okay, yes, which is not accessible now. Okay, so Muhammad Arif, what happened here is the Bitfumes GitHub account is the account for the tutorials related thing, and my personal account, which is now converted to Sarthak Savvy. Previously it was S Sarthak, but now, and then I have changed the name to github.com/Sarthak Savvy. So if you want to support me on GitHub, then you need to go on github.com/bitfumes, and then you will find a sponsor button somewhere, and you can just click there, and boom, you can have that. Okay, Nishant once again is saying, what are the things need to learn before learning Laravel PHP, like data structure? Please give your review. Okay, so before learning Laravel, I say you need to have at least basic PHP and object-oriented programming knowledge. These two are absolutely important before learning Laravel. But before learning PHP, I don't think you have to have data structure and all kind of things. You can start from anywhere. Time to grow, bro. 12 cross. Oh, 12 crossed. I have to go also. Which YouTubers you watch? Lots of them. I didn't exactly remember exact name. Now, Asher Manzar says your Discord link. Can anybody please resend the Discord link because Asher want to join, so it would be great if you can share. Can you share your experience migrating from Windows to Mac? I saw early videos on Mac. Amazing. It's like a life-changing experience if you work on Mac against Windows. You can configure things. There are a lot of tools. So easy for navigation. Only downside is you will not get free softwares. Okay, so once again I'm saying that it's now time to go. Yes, because it's 12 plus and my mobile is becoming too hot because of two reasons. Because of the heat of the sun plus heat of the live video and heat of your positivity. So someone is from Nepal, and thank you Santosh for joining, and but I am ending this live. And once again, if anyone want the Discord link, you can go to my Twitter account, and on that Twitter account you will find the Discord link on my profile. So my Twitter account handle is bitfumes or Sarthak Savvy, Sarthak Savvy. And thanks to Hemant, he has shared the Discord link, so you can join using this Discord link and have some chat there. So we will meet on the next Sunday for this kind of live, but as you know, I'm planning for live stream of the JavaScript game, so we will meet somewhere else. And the Flash is there. Any upcoming plan on creating Discord bot? Oh, Discord bot, good idea, thank you. I will work on that. I'm working on the PHP from 2.5 years. That's good. I want to switch to any framework like CI, Laravel, have a tutorial, but everyone is asking for professional experience. What should I do? If everyone is asking you for professional experience, and you can actually start creating free project for your friend, for your community. Maybe you can create a project for nearby school for free. If you are creating something for free to anyone, if you are helping them, then nobody is going to say no to you. Once you have some experience, once you have the working experience on working on real project, you can then ask for the job, and they will say that, okay, you don't have the industry experience, but you have a real project experience, so I will try luck on you, so you will get the job. So that's the thing. Discord there too, there are spam there today. Discord too, there are some spam there. Okay, I will check that. So people are joining, but I want to leave. Who me? Thank you so much, Kieran. Okay, so bye bye, and we will meet on the next live next Monday. No, Sunday. Okay, bye bye. How I can end?